Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, in our last lecture, we talked about the mediatization and the process of the mediatization. When we talk about the mediatization, we also discussed some renowned scholar of this perspective. And John Thompson is one of those scholars who worked on this perspective. Let's see a brief introduction of the Professor John B. Thompson. Professor John B. Thompson is a professor of sociology at the University of Cambridge and fellow of Jesus College, Cambridge. He received BA in sociology and philosophy from the University of Yale in 1975 and a PhD in sociology from the University of Cambridge in 1979. Professor Thompson has deep interest on the role of media, mass media, electronic media, and social media in modern day society. So his research interests are sociology of the media and modern culture, the social organization of the media industries, the impact of the digital revolution on social and political life, the changing forms of political communication, the transformation of the public sphere. He has published several books, and a few books here are mentioned, and the name of those books are The Media and Modernity, A Social Theory of Media, Political Scandal, Power and Visibility in the Media Age, Ideology and Modern Culture, Critical Social Theory in the Era of Mass Communication, Studies in the Theory of Ideology. Okay, let's see the argument of Professor Thompson when he talks about the role of media in modern day society. Professor Thompson sees mediatization as an integral element of the development of modern day society. He believes that when we say the modern society cannot be achieved without having a powerful media or without having the process of mediatization in the society. And he viewed the invention of the printing press in the 15th century as the birth of a technology that made it possible to circulate information in society on an unprecedented scale. So he believes that this was a significant event in the development of a modern day society, that when the press was established in European society, the development of the press actually made possible the circulation of the information at the larger level. This revolutionary technological event institutionalized the mass media as a significant force in society. So he believes that the development of the press made media as an institution of the society. And this was the point when media was turned into an institution. And when media was seen as an institution, its role becomes significant in the society. And media then played a significant role in the development of the modern day society. How they played a significant role in the development of the modern day society? They played a significant role in the development of the modern day society by enabling communication and interaction over a long distance and among larger numbers of people. So media allowed a lot of people to interact and to communicate with each other. And media also made possible to store and accumulate information over time. So this was not possible before the invention of the press and the electronic media. He further said that the mass media helped to transform an agrarian and feudal society and to create modern institutions such as the state, the public sphere, and science. He believes that it was not possible to see today's modern day conception of the state if the media was not uh, developed in such a manner. If the media was not institutionalized as a social institution of the society, then it was not possible to see the modern day democracy or the modern day conception of the state and the so-called public sphere of the modern day. It all become possible because of the development of the media. And he says that the subsequent development of other media such as radio, television, and the internet have further accentuated this modernization process. So the development of the media technology enhance the development of the society, and the way the various media technologies have developed over the period of the time, these technologies shaped the society in such a manner that they contributed to a modern day conception of the society. Professor Thompson sees a strong connection between mediatization and its cultural consequences, and the emergence of a very large media organizational at national and global level. So, to him, media plays an important role, and the media's perspective and the media's arguments are very significant, and their arguments are embedded in the culture of the society. And when the media become a national level organization, the perspective of the media becomes more important. And according to him, the media corporations production and distribution of symbolic products have changed communication flows in society, both between institutions and between institution and individuals. तो आज जो हम बात करते हैं मॉडर्न डे मीडिया इंस्टीट्यूशंस की, तो ये इतने इस्टेब्लिश्ड हो चुके हुए हैं एज एन ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस एंड एज अ कॉरपोरेशंस कि उन्होंने कम्युनिकेशंस के पैटर्न चेंज कर दिए हुए हैं, और एक सिंबॉलिक जो आपका कल्चर है वो भी चेंज हो चुका हुआ है। और आज आपके जो डिफरेंट कल्चरल आइटम्स हैं वो एम्बेडेड हैं मीडिया डिस्कोर्स के साथ, और ये इंस्टीट्यूशन टू इंस्टीट्यूशन भी एम्बेडेड हैं और इंस्टीट्यूशन एंड इंडिविजुअल्स भी एम्बेडेड हैं। थैंक यू।